teacher is unhappy about something. Brittany is a loser. What? Hey! Loser! I'm not a loser. I'll prove it to you. Post. Brittany! Awesome! Whoa! Nice job! It's the blue-eyed girl's birthday! Let's take a selfie together! Smile! But she has too many friends. They don't fit in the shot. Where am I? You can't even see me. Where's my top half? What do we do? Stop panicking! I know! Balloons! Woohoo! Attach balloons to a phone and start filming. Whoa! We did it! Happy birthday! You don't need rain to see a rainbow. Use lights with colorful filters. Cut a light holder out of thick cardboard. Paint it. Attach tape to the glass of an LED light. Cut off the excess. Coat it with glass paint. Attach the lights to the holder. Long exposure. All set. Dim the lights. And let's make a rainbow. The girls are busy taking a test, except for Laura. She has a new toy. No talking! Hello, I'll be there. My picture will be watching the class. Miss Radius is gone. Laura, give me your puppet toy. I want it too. Give it to me. Quiet, Brittany. It's Miss Radius. We are just writing an essay. It worked. Michelle is trying to take a pic with a bubble. Hang on. Why does it keep popping? Here, blow this balloon. That's a great idea. It won't pop so fast. Whoa! You can't tell it's not gum. Here are your papers. Time starts now. Thanks. I have cheat sheets ready. Attach matching cheat sheets on a Slinky. Wow! Looks awesome! I know how to take some cool pics. Melanie, help me! Wow! Super creative! I love it! Oh, Miss Radius! But I wasn't cheating! This is unfair! I can't forget my books! Oh, too many! I'll help! Whoa! What a great angle! It's like Michelle has wings! Thanks! What are you doing? I want to see it! The blue-eyed girl loves playing Minecraft! She even manages to play it in class! Put your phone away! Okay, let's see if he can hear me now! Hey! Cut 1-inch squares out of foam paper. Attach them to old glasses. Oh no! My eyes! I played too much! Brittany, can you see this? Whoa! Awesome glasses! I should take a pic! So that's what it is! Whoa! I want those too! This is a cloud and this is the sun. Does it look right? don't like it either.
Michelle, hold on! A balloon and a board make a giant egg! Time for a photo shoot!
Whoa! Did they really punch through the whiteboard to write formulas? Now that's a serious student! It's actually not what it looks like.
We'll take an amazing pic! We just need to get ready! Draw formulas on a big sheet of paper like on a board!
Nice job! Hold it! Let's shoot! Seems like the blue-eyed girl has a crush. Whoa! Who's that guy? You're just seeing things. I'll just take a pencil. You gave me a great idea. Glue colored pencils to an embroidery hoop, creating a rainbow. Smile!
Whoa! I love that!
Classmates are bragging about their summer vacation pics. Look! I had an awesome vacay! I actually don't have any cool pics. Blue-eyed girl, what did you do this summer? Stayed home, right? They're right. Hey, don't be upset. I know how to help you. Whoa! I'll take a telescope and you sit closer to the poster. Smile! I'm taking a pic. Put a scarf on. Now imagine you're in Egypt. Laura, look! It's the pyramids! Our blue-eyed girl is so lucky! Seems like the blue-eyed girl wants to do everything at once. Read a book, eat, and drink coffee.
Let me help you! Oh! I have an idea! A bowl and a hand!
Shape an arm out of wire. Bend fingers. Add volume with foil. Wrap it in light clay. Add press-on nails. Wait for it to dry and glue it in a bowl. Paint it. Glue a spoon on. Get some cereal and decorate the arm with it.
This breakfast can serve itself! I'm done cleaning here!
Phew!
Whoa! It's late! And this hole, too! Cleaning it will take forever! I know what to do! This floor is about to be spotless! I just need the right angle! Done! Sending to my boss now! I'm a genius! What time is it?
Let's take a cool shot with a string of lights. Attach it to a watch. Set up long exposure. Turn the light on and spin it. Oh, these are time rings or a time web. Did Mary Poppins come to visit us? No. It's Michelle taking awesome pics for her Instagram. You just need an umbrella and a string of LED lights. Dim the lights and set up long exposure. Your amazing pictures are ready. There is a mysterious entrance to another world behind Michelle's back. Every single pic will be a masterpiece with this hairstyle. Put a string of LED lights and braids on a wig. Fasten with hair ties. You just have to turn the lights on. And the blue-eyed girl turned into a cool extraterrestrial stranger. Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what photo idea you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.